In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can send automated email sequences with Pensight. This is a game changer for those of you that use Pensight as your website, or maybe you use it as a link in your bio on your social media. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and on this channel, I talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing passive income tips for writers, publishers, as well as creators and authors. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you would like to get a notification every time I upload a new video, hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know. Now, I would love to invite you to my Elevate Your Digital Publishing Business Daily newsletter. It's where I give 3 quick and valuable resources Monday through Friday for all my writers and creators and publishers and authors. This newsletter is a game changer. Plus, when you sign up, you get access to 50 plus creative ways to turn your writing skills into money, honey. Okay. You can sign up for free. I put the link in my description, as well as you can visit sharlritadeloatch.com/newsletter. Now, let's get into the tea with Pensight today. Okay. So I received this email this week all about Pensight. Okay. So I am a Pensight user. I have the pro account. You can sign up for free as well. But I love Pensight and have been using them for quite some time. And they sent out an email stating that we can now send automated email sequences through the Pensight account. So that means you do not need to have another email provider in order to send emails to your customers. Well, let me take that back. You can send emails. I did a video on that a couple months ago where they made updates to the platform where you can send emails to those that are in your database, okay? And how you can get people in your database and send them an email. But now you have the opportunity to send automated emails. If you're new to automation, that's fine. I'm going to explain it just a little bit. Automation is when someone buys a product or a service, or maybe they buy a call from you right here on your Pensight account. So when they go and buy, you can have it so that people can, this platform will send out an email, several emails if you wanted to. You have to set it up in the beginning, but they can send you emails while you're out with the kids, or they can send emails while you're out, running your errands. You do not have to physically sit there and send out emails. Back in the day, we didn't have this technology that we have now, and now there's so much automation that you can go ahead and set up, which will take some time to set up, which I'm going to do a little tutorial here. However, now that you don't have to take all that time to send out these emails, you can have it automated. Okay. So if you are a Pensight user, I wanted to let you know with this email automation, you do need to have the pro account in order to access these features. Okay. There's also another feature here where it's the email broadcast. I'll explain about that as well and what the difference between the two. So you have a product in your Pensight account. You can have it set up so that emails will go to that particular customer on an automated basis. Now, the great thing about this is you have control over how many emails, how often is sent out to your customer. This is what we call a funnel. So if you've ever heard of a funnel where in the beginning of the funnel, which we're all in many different funnels that we just don't realize, like Walmart has a funnel, Target has a funnel where we go and we put in our name and our email address, we grab something, and we get something probably for free or for a low cost, or maybe they're giving us a discount code. And then once after you get that, you are then navigated to a thank you page where they're offering you something else that's probably going to be a little bit more higher tier, or they're like, hey, if you downloaded this, you got this coupon code, maybe you need to go ahead, this is the first thing you need to buy. So they have that on thank you page. And then after the thank you page, if you decide to, get the product, you get it, you put it in your cart. And then after you put it in your cart, they may have another something else for you to buy, or they may not, or they may just say, okay, thank you for your purchase. And that's it. You have now entered into their funnel. Now, there are different types of funnels that you can create. You can have a first customer or a first time customer funnel, because those emails will look vastly different from someone that has been in your ecosystem. You can have a new client funnel. You can have a funnel for people that has been on your list for a while but hasn't bought anything. You can have a funnel just for digital products. Maybe you have a digital product funnel. Maybe you have a course funnel. There are so many different types of funnels, and the sky is the limit, and it's so much that you can do. Okay, you don't. It's not. I don't want to make it complicated, but you definitely need to have some funnels in your business. If you're in business, whether you're an author, a publisher, you a writer, in some form or fashion, you need to have funnels. Okay, as you saw in the beginning of my video, I mentioned my newsletter. That's a part of my funnel. Even though I'm sending you an email every single day, you are now a part of my ecosystem. Okay, so I want you to think about that when it comes to your business. Let's get into here in Pensight. So let's go ahead in here and create a automation. This is my first time in here. I have not created an automation in here before, so you guys are going to see me do. I just don't know. I toyed around with it just a little bit, but you're gonna see me, do this. Okay. First off, let's go. Let me first off go to. Can I go to my Pensight account? Let's see if I can go there. This is my Pensight page. So this is what you will see if you were a customer or whatever. Right now, the way I have my setup, I don't have anything being delivered from the platform, so I would need to create a product just so that we can do that. But let's go back to marketing here. This is where you would need to go to start your automation, and let's see how we can create an automation. Okay, so you want to first name your automation. I'm just going to name this testing, and then you're going to have a trigger. So this is, how is this automation going to start? That's what you need to ask. Okay, how do I want this automation to start? You can either have it start when a product order is submitted or when a form is submitted. Okay, so let's say we wanted to set this up when a product order is submitted. So when you do that, you need to go and search for your products. As you see, I have a lot of products in here. So let's select introductory call with Sharlrita. So if someone goes to my Pensight and they click on introductory call with Sharlrita, and they actually complete the call, not complete the call, but if they actually click on it, sign up for the call. Okay, this would not work if the person just clicks on it and they don't do anything or they don't take an action. But this happens if they click on it and they actually either buy the product or book the call. That's what it has to happen. So that's what we want this to be. So when someone sets up a call with me, I want to schedule an email to go out to them. So I will put the subject line here. I would say, let's say how to prepare for our time together. So for me, and this is something you have to sit down and think, okay, what email do I want to go out next? How do I want this email, to go out? You have to sit down and think of those things. Now, if you're somebody that needs some templates, you're like, you know what? I don't know what to say next. I'll link in the description some resources for you when it comes to those type of templates, when it comes to email templates that you can purchase, and you can just copy and paste those type of things if you have no idea. Okay, so let's see, this is coming from me. This is the reply email, and then I can choose a template. Okay, so I like the simple. They give you some options. So you have the simple, you have the welcome email, welcome, you have a discount email. So there is some templates in here that you can use. So I'm going to start with a template. Okay, let me go back. Let me hit cancel because I think I did that wrong. All right, trigger. We got the trigger right. Done. Now we can either have, I want them to get this email right away. So I'm going to put 0 days and 5 minutes. So after they get their, their confirmation email that they booked the call, I need them to get this call 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is a minimum delay, but note that clients receive a confirmation email whenever any product is acquired. It is often better to add product links or basic information in the post purchase message that is included in the confirmation emails. So basically, when somebody signs up for a call or purchase anything from Pensight, they automatically get a confirmation email anyway. So you don't want to bombard them with another email right away, because the first thing as a purchaser you're thinking about, I want to go get whatever it is that I sign up for. So give them time to do that. And maybe they say minimum 5 minutes. So I'm going to say 7 minutes. So let's say in 7 minutes, after they get their confirmation, they got that together. 7 minutes later, they're going to get an email from me. And the email is going to say, hey, let's get you prepared for your call. How to prepare for our time together. So in here, I'm going to choose this simple, I like a simple template. All right. So once I choose the template, I'm going to customize this template. Hi, blank, it already has the name. And then you can come in here. I'm going to come in here and make changes to this. Okay. Let's say, hi, I can't wait to speak with you. Let's say to prepare for our time together. I would love it if you would fill out this brief survey to help me prepare for this call. All right. So I will put the survey there and highlight it. So for example, let's say you may access the survey here. So I'm going to highlight here. Well, I'll highlight the whole sentence and click right here, and then I'll put the link. Okay, I'm just gonna put my website right here for right now, so you have the link to wherever you want them to go. I believe even here in Pensight, you can have some a form, for them to fill out, or maybe that form can go to them directly after they purchase whatever, or after they book the call. In this instance, after they book the call, they can go ahead and, fill out the survey. However you want to do it, it's totally up to you. But make sure that before you do this, sit down and map it out. I like to get a plain piece of paper or some notebook, and I like to jot down what I want. I might not jot down all of the words word from word, but I do know what I want to happen before our time together, depending on what they're downloading for me. Okay. I will be in touch soon. Speak soon. Let's say Sharlrita. Okay. So let's hit save. Make sure your footer, all that good stuff is good. You can add more text if you want. You can add an image, but we're going to hit save. So after 7 minutes, they're going to get this email. I can schedule another email. Okay. I can schedule another email. And then here, so let's say after after they get the call, after we have the call or whatever, I can have it so that it schedules another email to go to them after the call. So there is, let's see, let's click on this here. Let me add another trigger. No, I don't want to do that. Okay. So this email, prepare for our time together, and maybe wait a day. So maybe wait another day, and I can do an introduction, get to know me. Okay, you can do something like that. That's just an idea. You can do an introduction. We're going to customize that, and then we'll leave that like that and hit save. All right. And again, you can schedule as many emails as you want. So you can have a whole thing to make sure put the time you want it to go out. 7 minutes a day, 2 days, 5 days, 10 days. And once you are finished with your automation, you can hit save and publish. Would you like to finalize this email automation? Once finalized, it can't be modified. So we're going to hit confirm. Marketing emails have why? I wonder why. Okay, I gotta check into that. Okay. Let me check into that. So if you get a message like that, like I just did, which I hardly ever had used Pensight, we're gonna check into that. Okay. But you just hit save and publish. Okay. So we're gonna save this as a draft. All right, so that's the automation. That's how you set up the automation. Now let's go back to marketing, and you have a create broadcast, right? So a broadcast is where you can send an email out to whomever is on your listing. Okay, whomever is on in your database, you can send an email to. Okay, let's see, testing. If you want to hit a preview, like open up, and then you can choose your template, click there. You can customize it, put your customization in what you want, hit continue. Now you can select a segment. So in a previous video, I did a whole tutorial on what segments are, but you can select a segment. So you can send this to current subscribers, or you can send this to a particular group of people. Okay. You don't have to send it to everybody. Okay. And then once you do that, you can send it now or you can schedule it. Okay. So if you got a particular schedule that you want to send emails to, you can. Okay. So that is all for this quick tutorial on Pensight with automation. Again, you must be on the pro account setting. So you must have the pro account in order to take advantage of that opportunity for you to use their automation. I'm gonna go check and see what's going on with, with my account. But other than that, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you are in a position, you're a woman entrepreneur, and you like, you know what, I love these strategies. I need a community that's going to help me to move forward with my passive income. Not only do I need community, I need guidance, I need coaching. Come on over to the Passive Profits Collective. We have some amazing women in that community. We invite men too. You don't have to just be a woman. But right now we have amazing women in that community where I'm sharing with you how you can create passive income in your business and the different types of passive income that you can take advantage of that you probably haven't thought about. Okay. So come on to the community. I have all of the information at sharlritadeloatch.com/collective. Come join us. You will love it. You will love us. All right. We also meet every Tuesday. So every Tuesday night, we do have a coaching call. Not just coaching, but Q&A. If you have questions, you need me to look at something. It's just a good vibe on Tuesdays. We love it because it gives us an opportunity to come together and like mastermind. It's kind of like mastermind that comes to my mind, where we're all going in the same direction, because not only am I your coach, but I'm also your coach that's going in the same direction as you when it comes to creating passive incomes in my business. Okay. So yes, I am probably some steps way ahead of you, but I'm not too far ahead where I don't understand, what you're going through and what you got going on. So probably your girl is going through the same thing. All right. So that's what I love about the Passive Profits Collective. I would love for you to come and join. Until the next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.